In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and navigate your Salesforce calendar. Whether you're managing meetings, tracking tasks, or staying on top of events, Salesforce's calendar feature can help keep your schedule organized and ensure that you never miss an important appointment. So, let's get started together. First, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Salesforce login page. Enter your username and password, then click the login button. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that extra security step before you continue. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen for the app launcher icon. It looks like a grid made up of small squares. Go ahead and click on this icon. The app launcher is your central access point for a variety of apps and features within Salesforce. Next, in the search bar that appears after you click the app launcher, simply type in Calendar. As you start typing, you should see Calendar show up in the search results. Click on it to open your Salesforce calendar. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you've spelled it correctly and wait a moment for the results to populate. Now, you should see your Salesforce calendar displayed on the screen. This is your main hub for viewing and managing upcoming events, meetings, and any tasks that are scheduled for you or your team. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can move around the calendar with confidence. Towards the top right corner of your calendar view, you'll see buttons labeled Day, Week, and Month. These buttons allow you to change the way your calendar is displayed, whether you want to focus on just today with the day view, see your week at a glance, or look ahead and plan for the entire month. Try clicking through each of these options to see which view works best for your workflow and preferences. Finally, let's talk about customizing what you see on your calendar. Inside the calendar, look for the gear icon. This is usually found somewhere near the calendar's header. Clicking this gear icon lets you show or hide various calendars such as your tasks, events, or even team calendars if you have access to them. This is a handy way to declutter your view and focus only on what's most relevant to you. Simply tick or untick the checkboxes for the calendars you want to display or hide. And that's it. You've now learned how to access, customize, and navigate your Salesforce calendar. With these tips, you'll be able to stay organized and never lose track of your important commitments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps so you can make the most out of your Salesforce calendar every day.